There was a time in my life, it was a very dark phase because I was not able to see my face. All the steroids, all the glycolic acid, niacinamide acid, whatever you name it, the dermas, it's trending on Instagram. You know what? The Korean cosmetics is there. Whatever is there, I have applied it. I have tested it. Nothing was working out. I was completely in depression, completely shaken up because I have a lot of allergies around my skin, onto my face itself. Hello, it's Apurva this side. I'm currently working as a software developer in Amdocs company and I'm staying in Gurgaon. I basically have hyperpigmentation around my skin and I developed it like 1 year back. And I have spent money like anything. I have been to those doctors whose one-way visit was just 6K. So you know what? My body has been through a lot of experimentation for the last 1 year. I had begun to lose my confidence completely. They all were like they were trying to just heal this thing from the outside. Somebody used to say it's insulin resistance. Somebody used to say it's due to stress. Somebody used to say it's due to the genes you have. Even one of the doctors, he said it's periodial dermatitis. When I Google it, dude, it's a disease which happened to the people in foreign. And I recently got to know about this Better Way, this institution, and I'm really, really amazed with the experience I'm getting it here. And they made me understand, what I'm trying to do is like I'm trying to heal from the outside, but the problem is inside. Very first time after 1 year, I find somebody who literally believe in me. They do the proper diagnosis and they find the root cause. The special Dr. Neil, you know what? I'm taking treatment from him for the very day one, and he's such an angel. I would say, like he has actually changed my life in a very, very good way. I still remember the very first time I came to him. I was very anxious because I also had a lot of trust issues, from the doctors itself. But he said me one line, dude, whatever I'm going to do with you, it's going to 20% I'm going to do my work, 80% you have to do onto yourself. You have to work on our lifestyle. So it's been like 2 months now. I'm taking the treatment. I'm actually also going for variation soon. I can see a lot of improvement into my skin, into my sleep especially, and to my digestion. I'm feeling hopeful. After such a long time, I can feel hopeful that yes, one day definitely I'm going to get free from this thing.